Hello?
So before we begin, we have a gift for you, judges. Please don't touch this. We're going to select. Can I use a spec? Spec. Thank you.
We take this back. Watch. Tonight I want to share with you a trick which uses 3 cards. So we have the 3 of clubs, the ace of clubs, and the 2 of clubs. With these 3 cards tonight we're going to do something unexpected. So we take the ace of clubs, correct? The ace of clubs plays far left. So there's the 2 and there's the 3. So we take the 2, place deep center, and the 3 far right. So there's the A, there's the 2, and there's the 3, correct? If you were betting, where would you bet the A is? Left, center, or right? Bet. Where's the A? No, just point. Where's the A? Left, center, or right? You want the A to be here? You are correct? It is here? You know, the 2 actually jumped here, but I want to try this one more time. But this time we're not gonna use 3 cards because this is pretty confusing. So I will put this down to just 2 cards, you know, not the 2 of clubs. So we eliminate the 2 of clubs, so we're gonna put this down to just the A and the 3. What's the A? Pay close attention. Watch. Is the A on top or the bottom? Top or bottom? Top, yeah. You might be correct. However, you are wrong. Because the A is always where you least expect it, to the far. But tonight we want to end our journey. Not with 3 cards, not with 2 cards, but with just 1 card. So, would you mind helping my friend here on the stage? Would you mind?
See, all the cards are different. Fit into different cards and take different choices. So, you have to choose 1 card from this deck. Any card.
This one. With this hand, yeah. No. This one. Hold it. Put your hand in the pocket. Yeah, correct. Hold it properly. So I'll show this to camera. You could see if we roll down, it says King Illusionist, our group name. A little more roll down, you could see it's the poster of user. A little more roll down, you could see your hand is being stressed. Holding 1 card, ladies and gentlemen. Not this dash card, it's the 6 of hearts.
Sadananda is holding 6 of hearts, and it is printed. Oh my God. How do you feel?